really hope I made you laugh just now because I cracked myself up. Anyway, so hi and welcome to Card Making with Crystal. Today we're making a really cool Halloween card. Can you see this card? Right, all right. I just need to probably do it at an angle. So it's a mummy card. Oh, there you go. So it's a card that looks like a mummy. And when we go down, I'll show it to you again. But we're gonna create this card today. Let's go down. Okay, so I already have one of these cards because I designed it the last time I was designing some cards for Halloween for a friend of mine. So now you can get a good look at it. It looks like a mummy. It looks like it's all old rags that the mummy is wrapped in, and we're going to make this card now. So the first thing you'll do is you'll take this sheet of paper. You need one sheet that is, we're making an A2 card. So this is 8.5 by 5.5. This is perfect. And fold it. And burnish it. So you can burnish it either with a ruler, or you can burnish the ends with, if you're a card maker, with this. Right, so we're going to turn this like this, and that's the card that we're making. So it's the same size as this one. Yeah? Right, so now we're going to cut this sheet of paper to make the first layer of the card. I'm going to grab my paper cutter here, and I'm going to cut this at 5.25 by 4, and that's going to make my first layer perfectly like so. And now for the fun part, we are going to make these lines here. So what I want you to do to make these lines is grab a whole bunch of white paper. Right, so this is a great way to use up your scraps. So I have a whole bunch of scrap white paper here, and all I'm going to do, all right, pay attention, is rip this paper. So I'm going to rip it like so. So I have one piece ripped here. I have another piece ripped here. So you're going to rip it where it looks kind of nice together like this. I like how this already has the point here, which kind of matches this point. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to rip along the sides of this one, and you're literally ripping paper. Yay! This might be therapeutic for some persons. I don't know. I'm just making fun. Right, then this will give us, this is where I ripped this out of. Right, so there you go. There's another piece. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. Let's get 2 more pieces. I wanted to put a big hello at the bottom of this one. So let's just rip this in a sort of way like this. Well, that's too small. Right. Just make sure your pieces can fit the width of your card. Right. Well, I should be measuring this one, but you know what I mean. And maybe just one more. Right. What you're going to do now is the fun and slightly dangerous part. Just be careful. You're going to take a lighter, just a simple lighter like this, and you're going to just do this to the ends of your paper. See that? What would happen is that, right, now you see it. See? So it's going to give an effect like it's burnt. Right, do it to both sides. We're going to cut this to make this. So all you're doing is basically singeing the ends of your paper. I want to singe this one because I always like to make a little part that kind of goes in. Yeah, so just keep passing it like this. So I'm going to keep doing this, and then we're going to come back to put it all together. Okay, so we have our singed pieces of paper. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to get a piece of black cardstock. So you remember we did this at 4.25 by 5.5. We did this by 4 by 5.25. Now I'm going to cut the black piece of cardstock at 3 3/4 by 5. Right, so that should fit nicely like so, and then this should fit like so. So we're getting somewhere already. Now we're going to leave this here and we're going to mock up our card. So we know that we want the eyes to be maybe, so this is 2 inches, 2 inches, and then some, maybe 2 inches down around here. And what we're doing is we're literally sticking the paper like this. Then we're going to stick this one like maybe this one like so, then this one like so, and then we have 2 more that we can do. You're going to get one like that, and then maybe this one on top here. Oh, you see, look, it looks cute already. So I just mocked it up, and now I'm going to actually stick it down. All right, so keep an eye on how you mocked it up and see how you did, and make sure that you're happy with how it looks. I'm pretty happy with how this looks, and I'm gonna go ahead and stick it down. Right, if you got anything on your mat, just clean it up like this. Put it down on this side and just, you know, just make sure it's all stuck down nicely. Make sure everything is covered. See, I have a little black here. I'm going to just pull this up and make sure it covers the black section. Make sure everything is covered for the black section. And if you do like me and get it dirty here, you can just try to rub it out, which I have thankfully been able to do. But I mean, a mummy is a dirty thing, so so it's okay if you get it a little dirty. Now I want you, so what you're going to do, if you don't have a paper cutter, you're going to scissors cut this. But if you do have a paper cutter, you're going to pass it in your paper cutter and line it up like so. And there you go. See, you have a really cute mummy card. It is so cute. If you have a good eraser like this Tom bow eraser, you can try to erase any of the just ash that came off on what you were doing. Clean it up, and there you go. All right, so you have a little nice cute little mummy card. I'm going to move all the junk from over here so we can put the card together, right? Yeah, see, look at that. The only difference is that this came up a little more here, but they are so cute. And it's nice to give like your friend something like this. You could say hello, or you could say boo, happy Halloween, or anything that you want to say on the card to make it really gorgeous. It is a really nice quality card, and there you go. Hey, so we're done. Cuteness overload. So we have our 2 Halloween cards. Put whatever sentiments you want to put in them. Have fun with it. Play around if you want to put more layers for more wraps of the mummy's cloth, whatever you call it. You can add more layers. Just rip, burn. Make sure you don't burn your house down, please. Just singe it and then make sure and shake it up a lot if it's getting out of hand. But have fun with it. I'll be here with if you want to see more Halloween cards, let me know. I can make some more. And if you have any requests at all for any kind of cards that you'd like to see, I will be really happy for it. Comment it below. Please feel free to like the video if you do like it. Leave me a comment and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot. Spooky. Stay crafty, my friend.